Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know it's a girl NSC, and today I'll be doing a butterfly tutorial, locks on my client. So I'll be using 2 packs of the 3-in-1 passion twist hair and 1 pack of the Rasta Marley hair to use at the base of the hair. Okay, so on each plait I had 1 at the back because my client requested that she doesn't want her locks to be too full or to be too fat or thick. Okay guys, so I'm doing it slim as possible as I can. And she requested as well that she need a lot of butterfly loops on the locks for it to look pretty. So guys, please help me get to 1K subscribers, comment on what style I should do next, and turn on the post notification bell to get notified whenever NSC posts a new video. So stay tuned guys and watch me work. So now I'm at the top of the hair. This is where you need to add 2 strands of the passion twist hair in order to inline with the rest of the locks. By doing this, first you have to start with 1 strand of the passion twist hair. Wherever that hair is finished wrapping, that is where you're gonna start wrapping the other passion twist hair to the exact length to keep in line with all the locks. Sorry for the mode of the screen. It's supposed to be landscape instead of portrait mode, but at the time I wasn't going to upload it on YouTube, so my apology. Hope you guys accept it. So that's the finished look guys. Please subscribe, like and share, and see you in my next video.